Here's 3 Bryant Quantum Pluses in a Lennox Merit. Huge spider right there. Scroll compressor on all these. Now I don't know if this one has an LG or a Copeland, but
what year is this thing?
This one's 2016.
2016. They replaced one of these.
I can't tell if this one's an LG. This is a 5-ton, 230 volt, 14 SEER.
First unit? Looks like it's a Copeland scroll. That's in a compressor like that.
Day sheet's like almost completely gone.
Bryant logo.
It's barely legible. 2005. What's strong? I believe this is a 5-ton, but I'm not sure. Take a look at this one. Yeah, there's no telling. Oh wait, no, this one's more legible. This is a... Yeah, this is a 5-ton. $850 AN.
So I can have one hand.
Turns out there's 2 more here. I thought those 4 units were the only ones at this building.
New Trane XR.
And there's a mini split back there.
There's some more.
Mitsubishi.
Bryant Legacy line. 2021. 14 SEER 4-ton. If you look at this motor. And it has an Alliance scroll compressor, which is a revamped scroll. Yeah, Alliance scroll compressor. It's got the cast
I think this one's a straight cool.
Yeah, you get to look at this data.
This one's a straight cool.
2013.
Yeah. 4-ton.
We have a Mitsubishi Mini. I'll have to decode the serial later.
Where is the serial number? Oh, there it is. It's 2015.
Here's something over here.
15,000 BTU. Oh, running. Cool mode. 3-foot blades. Interesting. Brand new.
What year?
And this one's probably also a 2005. Yeah.
The higher end one, like
Let's see. This is an XR14, so it's not a higher end one like I thought it was originally.
Put a UCM motor on.
That'll be it.